Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Jotform Tables. This is a powerful tool for organizing and managing your data in a spreadsheet-like interface, perfect for tracking projects, customer information, or any structured data you need to collect and share with your team. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready, as you'll need to be signed in to access the Tables feature. After logging in, look to the upper left corner of the page where you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Tables. This will take you to the Tables dashboard, where you can view all your existing tables or create new ones. Now, in the upper left corner again, you'll find a button that says Create Table. Click on it, and you'll be presented with three options to choose from. You can start from scratch, use a template, or import data from an existing source. For this tutorial, we're going to select Start from Scratch so you can see how to build a table from the ground up. Once you've chosen to start from scratch, you'll notice a default name appears in the upper left, typically something like New Table. To make your table more identifiable, click on the three dotted lines next to that name. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there select Rename. Type in your preferred name for the table, something that clearly describes what data you'll be storing, and then press Enter to save it. Next, it's time to add some fields to your table. Click the plus Add button, then select View. This action will open a right panel where you can start customizing the structure of your table. Here you can type in field names like name, email, and add notes, depending on what kind of information you want to track. As you add these fields, the table automatically begins to take shape. Once you've entered your field names, simply click outside the box and your changes will be saved automatically. This autosave feature ensures you won't lose any of your work. Finally, if you want to share your table with team members or collaborators, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This will give you the option to generate a shareable link or invite specific people via email. It's a great way to collaborate in real time and keep everyone on the same page. And that's it. You've successfully created and set up your first Jotform table. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.